The first method involves uninstalling the latest quality updates. To do this, right-click on the Start button and then click on Settings. Once you are on the Settings page, click on Windows Update on the left-hand side, and then choose the option that says Advanced Option. Under Advanced Option, you will need to click on Recovery. Within Recovery, go ahead and click on Restart Now. You will be prompted to restart now or close. You can go ahead and click on Restart Now. Once you are on the Advanced Options screen, click on Troubleshoot, and then click on Advanced Options. Under Advanced Options, click on Uninstall Updates, and then choose the option to uninstall the latest quality update. Finally, click on Uninstall Quality Update. Wait for the updates to be uninstalled. Once the updates have been successfully uninstalled, your computer will reboot. After the reboot is complete, you can check if your issue has been resolved. The next method you could try is to update your display driver. You can do this by right-clicking on the Start button and then clicking on Device Manager. Once you have Device Manager open, you will need to expand display adapters. So you can right-click on your primary graphics driver and then click on Update Driver and choose the option that says Search automatically for drivers. You may see a message stating that the best drivers for your device are already installed. In that case, you can click on Close. Once this is done, check if your issue has been resolved. Another method to update your display drivers is directly from your computer. Right-click on your primary display driver and choose the option that says Update Driver. Under this section, choose the option that says Browse my computer for drivers. This will take you to a new window. Choose the option that says, Let me pick from a list of available drivers. Here, select the default driver, and then click on Next. This will install the display drivers from your computer. After this is done, go ahead and restart your computer. And that should fix the problem. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.